This video is for educational and informational purposes only. Mutual funds and stocks talked in this video are purely used as examples. This video is not meant for advisory or recommendation purpose.
Hi, I'm Swati and you're watching Alice Blue YouTube channel. Welcome to our very first episode of Commodity Corner. We are thrilled to introduce this brand new series where we break down future commodity contracts in a series of episodes. And for today's episode, I will be talking about goldmini. So without any delay, let's get started. Goldmini represents a mid-range futures contract available on India's multi-commodity exchange, that is MCX, featuring a more manageable lot size of 100 grams. So this makes it more accessible compared to the standard gold contract, which has a lot size of 1000 grams. The future contracts, gold petal, gold mini and gold on India's MCX each represent 1 gram, 100 grams and 1 kilogram of gold respectively. So they range in size from small retail investors to mid-level investors to large institutional traders, that is gold petal, gold mini to gold, depending on the investor's level of investment capacity. So what is gold mini MCX? Gold mini is the middle-sized option on India's MCX. The lot size of gold mini is just 100 grams. It's bigger than gold petal as I mentioned, where the lot size is just 1 gram of gold, and smaller than the regular gold contract whose lot size is hefty 1000 grams. Gold mini futures symbol. The trading symbol for gold mini futures on MCX is GOLDM. This symbol is used across trading platforms and is recognized globally. To break it down, the contract name is gold mini, GOLDM is the symbol and MCX is the exchange. Now you might be wondering what is the difference between gold and gold mini in MCX. Well, the primary difference between gold and gold mini in MCX lies in the contract size. Standard gold futures contracts represent 1 kg of gold, while gold mini contracts represent only 100 grams of gold. As you can see on the screen, the other parameters remains the same in both gold and gold mini. Now let's look into the specifications. Gold mini, symbolized as GOLDM, is a futures contract available on the multi-commodity exchange, that is MCX of India. Each contract represents 100 grams of 995 fineness gold with the price quoted per 10 grams. It's tradable from Monday to Friday from 9 am to 11:30 pm or 11:55 pm during daylight saving with a maximum order size of 10 kg. The contract start day is 6th day of the contract launch month. If the 6th day is a holiday, then the following business day. The expiry day is 5th of the contract expiry month. If the 5th is a holiday, then previous business day. Tick size is ₹1. Base value is 100 grams of gold. Delivery unit is 100 grams minimum. And the delivery center is at all delivery centers of MCX. Now that we know what gold mini is, now let's learn how to buy gold mini in MCX. Buying a gold mini contract in MCX involves a simple process that allows these steps. Open a trading account with a broker that has access to the MCX. Complete the necessary KYC, that is Know Your Customer process. Deposit the required margin in your trading account. Use the trading platform provided by your broker to locate the gold mini futures, that is GOLDM. Decide the number of contracts you wish to buy based on your investment strategy and the available margin. Then place the buy order and monitor your position regularly. The key takeaways from this episode are: So yeah, that's all for this episode. Thank you so much for watching this video and I will see you in the next episode. Until then, bye-bye.
Investments in securities markets are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.